Best to lay it flat, so then that way that stops the foam so much. Bring it out. Then what you want to do is peel the tap here, so you can get it out. See, it's pre-cut. Give it a little twist. Inside you see the pipeline. Got to make sure that's flat inside, otherwise any twists in this you won't get anything from it. Get your thumb, push down, maybe 2 thumbs each side, till you hear a click. Put it in the machine, make sure it's in properly, so push that at the back, click it down, give it a good, yep, push it a bit, that's it. And then what you want to do, you've got the groove here. Make sure this groove is in the metal and this goes through the hole here. Give it a nice click. There you go, you should have heard that click there. And then what you got to do, you've got the grooves here. Grooves here. Got to make sure that's clicked in correctly as well. You should hear 2 clips. Make sure the pipeline is correctly in. As you see. Actually, click it down. You see. There you go, you just hit the clip. And then the next thing to do is close the lid. You go here to clip and turn the machine on. And then you should see a red light here. When this goes green, it's the perfect temperature for you. But this has got to go green first. Also, these fans, you should make sure they're clean, because if they're not clean then you will get noise out of the machine, unwanted noise. Because underneath here is the fan.